What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a sponsor, Dream Motor. You could find what we're using today on Amazon. Honestly, I don't have much experience with like universal front lips, but they told me to give it a shot. They sent it out to me, and I'm gonna attempt to put it on the Subaru because the lip on the Subaru looks pretty rough, and it'd be nice to have a nice new lip. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've hit it a couple times on like curbs and stuff because I just wasn't paying attention. So hopefully we can make this thing work, and hopefully it looks pretty good. So I'll give you guys my honest opinion on it, you know. And we'll go from there. I don't know how it's gonna fit. We're gonna try to make it fit the best we can. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't fit like good or anything, I'll just put my old lip back. It's not that big a deal. But I am going to definitely use a part of this regardless of what lip I have, just because I want the part on my car. So yeah, let's hop right into it and I'll show you guys what we got. All right, guys, so the reason we're in the house, first of all, is because it's pretty cold out and I don't feel like freezing. So what we're probably going to do is we're going to assemble all of this, and then we're going to probably take the front bumper off the Subaru and just bring it in here and do everything in here where it's nice and warm, because I really don't feel like freezing my ass off. And yeah, so this is the universal lip from Dream Motor. This is a little red insert that goes at the front of the lip. Then you have your pieces to the lip here, which you can cut these if you have to and stuff, just to make it like fit better or whatnot. But we're going to see exactly how it fits just right off the bat. And, you know, we'll go from there. They give you all hardware and stuff, screws, more screws, more screws. I think these black ones are for like, I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. Because the instructions are, honestly, they're in Chinese, so I'm really not too sure. I can't read Chinese, so yeah. But we have some brackets. We have these two things, which again, I'm not too sure what they are, but we'll figure it out. And then these I'm going to use regardless of what I do. These are those little like splitter holders that a lot of people put when they put a front lip. So I actually really like those, and the color combination on the Subaru is red and silver, so it's nice that they're red. And also, if we do wind up using the lip, this is also red. So let's get this thing assembled, and I'll show you guys when I start assembling it, because honestly I have no idea what to do, so maybe I can guide you guys in the right direction. So I got the center section assembled here. This is two separate pieces, right side, left side, and then obviously your red insert on the front here. It is pretty self-explanatory. Everything kind of snaps together. So this piece fits into that piece. You put the screws, and then this piece fits into the back piece here, the black piece, and you put the screws, and then everything goes together pretty nicely. I am about to try to put the side parts on, which me personally, I really do like these. I like how it has the fin. It's going to go real nice with the side skirts on the car. But yeah, I mean, let's see what we can do here. Not too sure how these go, but we're going to figure it out as we go. So let's see what happens. All right, so I did figure out how these go, guys. So this part here at the end, it kind of has like a groove to it. Like you see how it has like this lip. So that actually fits into the middle part of the lip. But we're going to need our bumper to figure out where exactly we need that. And then what we do from there is we actually put a screw through this piece right into that piece with a nut on the back side. So it holds everything together, and you'll be able to swivel it where you need it and everything. And just keep in mind, it's not going to move or anything once it's on the car, because it's going to be mounted to your front bumper. So it's not going to move around or anything. But we need to go get the front bumper off the Subaru, which I don't believe I need to show you guys how to do that. I mean, mine is completely different from a factory bumper, because mine has all types of screws in it, because that car was, I think it was hit in the front or something, because the bumper's actually cracked. So I don't know, but I'm gonna go take the bumper off really quick and we'll bring it inside and we'll try to get this thing fitted up. We'll get the old lip off and everything, and I'll probably mount this, probably not the way that they're telling you to mount it, which they want you to use these like self tapping screws that go in the plastic and whatnot. I have mine very, very secure with a nut and a bolt, which if the sponsor is watching this video, I would highly recommend including a nut and a bolt for every single bolt that attaches this lip right to the car. I know this is an easier design, but it's not going to hold up as good. So I'm going to do a nut and bolt just like I have my other one, and we're going to try to get this thing fitted really, really nicely on the car because I really do like this lip. I like the fins. I like the gloss black. Mine is like unpainted. It's all faded and everything. It looks, honestly, it looks terrible. So I really, really hope this turns out good. I also really like these rods, the lip support rods or whatever you would call those. I did figure out that these spacers are used on some applications just to make the lip fit a little bit better. Like you can put these spacers, you know, up here or something, and it will angle the lip or whatnot. And then these are brackets, again, probably for mounting or something like that. We're probably not going to use any of that stuff. We'll probably use some of these screws, and we'll definitely use these. And then we'll figure out our placement for the side pieces and everything as we go. So let's see what happens. And I'm gonna go get the bumper, bring it in here, and we're gonna try to get this thing on the bumper. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. I want to say too, the instructions are actually not all in Japanese. I didn't see the English underneath, so there is English underneath, but they're very, very basic instructions. You really don't need to know much for this. I mean, like I said, the pieces literally fit together like one way. So with that being said, you don't really need a lot of instructions for it, but you see the lip support rods right there? I'm really, really hoping that I can use those because I feel like it'll make the car look really, really nice on the front. So see what happens. I'm gonna go grab the bumper and I'll pick you guys back up when I have the bumper inside with me. I want to say too, if you guys been watching my channel for a long time, I know I got a lot of new subscribers on the channel. We're almost at 900 subscribers, guys, which is like mind-blowing. I honestly didn't think I would pass like 100 subscribers, but I started using keeps on my hair. As you can see, my hair is definitely coming back. I'm going to be doing a review on keeps, and they're not a sponsor of mine or anything. It was very difficult when I was looking for something for my hair. A lot of the videos you watch, they're going to be sponsored videos, and people are going to talk up on things. I'm never like that. I don't care if they sponsor me or not. I'm going to give you guys my honest to God review. So if any of you are interested in something like that, that'll probably be next week's video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm going to get this lip done. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. So we got our front lip off, as you can see, or not our front lip, our front bumper, I should say. Pretty much mine, I just have random bolts and stuff in here because, like I said, like half the clips were missing and it's cracked over there. I'm pretty sure they tapped into something at some point. It wasn't me, guys, but yeah. So pretty much once you get all your clips off, if you have factory clips, it's probably all clips, maybe like a couple bolts. You got to unplug your fog lights if you have fog lights. This car did not come stock with fog lights, but I added them, so I had to unplug them. By the way, guys, don't slack on Oxito LEDs. I have a discount code. It is Dylan's Garage, all capital letters at your checkout. Will save you 15%. They are amazing LEDs. They're very, very reasonably priced, and I highly recommend them. But let's get this thing in the house, and we will get this lip off, the old lip off, and we'll start fitting the new one on. So I got the center section kind of fitted up. I just put 2 of the self-tapping screws that they supplied in the middle just to hold it in place so I can get the sides fitted up and everything. But so far, I mean, It's definitely going to be an extremely aggressive front lip. Like it sticks out a lot. I can't really go in any more than that, but I do think it's actually going to look really, really good. I do like the red. The red definitely complements the silver and red that I'm going with for the Subaru. And I think it's going to look sick. Once I get the rods in here, I'll probably put one maybe over here to there, then maybe another one here to there. That's probably where the rods will go. I mean, I'm going to look at it. I might Google some pictures of people that have the rods on a front lip on a Subaru just to see where they put them, get an idea. But I'm going to get the sides fitted up now, and maybe we can get this thing permanently secured. Let's see how it fits. So guys, the lip is definitely aggressive. I give them that much. The only issue that I do have is it's a little bit short. It's not a big deal. I think it'll still look pretty good. I have it set up pretty well here. I didn't get to do the other side yet, but what I found was the easiest way to like position it, because you guys got to remember it's a universal lip. So you have to like move stuff around here and there until you figure out what exact fitment you want, which this is the best fitment I can get out of it. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it doesn't look terrible. I think it actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to get the other side on. But what I found best to help you guys here is I've been drilling a very, very small hole. After I get it positioned where I want, I'll hold it and I'll drill a small hole. And then I'll use their self-tappers that they supplied just to hold everything together. Like right now, there's only 2 bolts holding the center on, and there's 1 bolt holding the end piece on. That's just so I can get everything fitted up. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drill the big holes again where I can put my nuts and bolts in. I'll probably leave their self-tappers too. I mean, it's not going to hurt. The more bolts you have, the better, because you don't want this thing flying off on you or anything. So I'm going to get the other side fitted up, and then we're going to get it permanently on. I'll show you guys when it's permanently on, and then we'll move to installing those rods that I was talking about. All right, guys, so it's all fitted up. I got to get it permanently mounted. But as you can see, like the fins, I know are supposed to be more straight, like with the body of the car. But like I said, it's a little bit short, not a big deal. I think it still looks pretty good. It's definitely very aggressive. So I'm kind of curious to see what it's going to look like on the Subaru, because the Subaru is not extremely aggressive, but it might look pretty good. So let's see how it looks. I don't know. I mean, the Subaru is slammed. It's got wheels, tires, coilovers, so it might look really good. It might not look really good. Nothing on the lip. The lip is definitely nice quality and everything. I just don't know if it's going to go with my car very well, but we'll see what happens. All right, so we did it, guys. It fits. Honestly, it fits pretty good. I really can't complain too much. We got our rods there and there. I figured I'd put them off to the side so they're not around the license plate. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. The red 25i emblem, the red in the middle there, the red lip supports, everything looks really, really good. I have the red Scooby sticker on the Subaru windshield. I really do think it's going to look pretty good. I mean, I'm going to put it on the car in just a moment, and we'll go from there. But I really do think it came out decent, especially for something that's universal. The lip itself is very nice quality. Obviously, if you have like a less wide car, it might fit a little bit better towards the edges here. But I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to get it put on, and we'll go somewhere where I can get some nice shots for you guys of what it looks like and everything on the car. And we'll close this video out. All right, guys. Well, here you have it. Here is the lip. Honestly, I kind of like the way it looks. I really do. It's very, very aggressive, that's for sure. But I think it flows nice with the car. I mean, we do have the side splitters and everything, so I really can't complain there. So if you guys are interested in this lip, Dream Motor is the company. They're on Amazon. They reached out to me. They told me to try the lip. So here it is. I tried it out. Definitely is nice quality. It might fit a little bit different depending what car you have, but there is a lot of adjustability, so you could definitely make something work. I mean, here's a side view for you guys, and then obviously you saw the front view. It's definitely good quality. I would, if you don't have a lip, I would highly recommend. Also, another thing to note too is the 25i, the base. There's no aftermarket lips for this car, so you really have to like get creative. Like my last lip was a lip that was designed for an STI, but it was modified, like it was cut at the ends. So like I was saying about this being a little bit short here, like as you can see right there, it kind of ends. My other lip was the same way, so honestly I'm not very concerned about it, but I think it flows really, really nice with the car. And guys should definitely check them out. See if you want one, pick one up. See about getting you guys a discount code. I'll reach out to them, see what I can do for you guys. If there is a discount code, it will be down in the description down below. Once again, guys, thank you for tuning in like you always do. We're rounding 900 subscribers. Before you know it, we'll be at 1,000. Then we can monetize the channel. Exciting, very, 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 very exciting. But thanks guys for watching. Please drop a like up on this video, drop a comment down below. Check out Dream Motor on Amazon. And I will catch you guys in next week's video, Friday, 12 p.m. Peace out.